Rip currents. What do you need to know about a rip current? All right, let's break it down. A rip current is purely a mass of water heading back out to sea. With a rip current, we can either use or avoid them. Identifying a rip current can be easy and it can be hard, but the basics of it is looking for a deep channel of water where the surface tension of the water is heading out to sea. Usually you'll see lifeguards put their flags down on the beach and say this is a no swim zone, purely because this is an area where water is heading out and it's going to give them hassle to come and fetch you. If you're looking to get to the backline at a surf break, you can use this rip current as a sort of escalator to get out to the backline. You can use that natural energy, identify it, paddle out there, and you'll be out in a heartbeat. On the flip side, rip currents are extremely dangerous, and if you don't understand the fundamentals of a rip current, you can find yourself in a bit of trouble. So my top tips to you for a rip current is, when you get into a rip current, don't panic. When you start to panic, you become frantic and you don't know how to act, and you start to raise your heart rate and make it a much more stressful situation. Tip number 2, don't let go of your board. Your board is your lifeline. You want to keep that with you at all times. Never let it go and start swimming. Your board is your floating device. Stay on it, keep high, and look where your exit is. Tip number 3, don't fight the rip. Nobody can swim against the rip and win. The ocean will always win. So exiting a rip is very simple. Whichever direction the rip is going, you want to be moving perpendicular to that. You want to be moving out into calmer waters and then come back to shore. Don't swim straight into it. A natural response when you're in a rip is to just fight it, swim against it. You're panicking, you want to get back to shore, you want to get back to your family, your loved ones, your friends. Don't let that overcome you. Acknowledge, right, I'm in a rip, how do I get out? Move perpendicular out the rip and then back to shore. Those are 3 simple tips I want to give you when encountering a rip current. Remember, we're here to have fun. So identify the rip current, avoid it or use it, but as long as you're out there having fun, that's what matters.